Girls, you should go on a hike or something.
What the heck? I just passed level 17.
Ugh, I hate hiking.
I know, my shoes are gonna get ruined. They're designer.
Whatever, let's just keep walking.
Is that a magnolia tree? Oh, Julie, help!
Are you okay?
Yeah, but it hurts.
I'll read Meet Kit Kittredge.
That's a terrible book.
Oh, look, it's a dog.
What? This fort will keep us warm tonight.
It sure will. Did you bring any food?
Yeah, cookies and sandwiches.
Yum.
The North Star.
We'll be home in the morning.
Where could they be?
There you guys are.
Sorry, Mom, we got lost.